Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. I hope everyone is doing so good. And if you are new here, welcome to my channel. I am Benny and nice to meet you. Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe and press that notification bell. Let's get into this video. Although microblading hair takes a long time to do, the process itself is fairly easy, and the one difficult that comes with microblading is that the braids themselves are so tiny, and braiding an entire head of the hair can take a very long time, even days, to do this. This is all about repetition. After sectioning the hair with a comb, you want to secure the rest of your hair. That is, if you have a long hair, with some clips to get it out of the way. That is if you have a longer hair, but as you can see, my hair is very short, so I don't need to do that. So after I take a tiny section of the hair, about 1/8 of an inch in thickness, I separate the hair, that is the canacolon hair, and cross the strand left over center and right over center. Pull the strand tightly, but not too tight that they hurt your scalp. Okay, continue braiding the hair all the way down, and then you want to secure the end with some. What I do is when I get to the very end of this braid, I just two strand twist it, just like so. I'm really loving this hair so much. It's very lightweight, extremely lightweight. It's very juicy, so lightweight that I can't even believe it. Remember, I'm using the easy braiding hair. Yo, this hair is everything. And the hair is extremely long, and yet it's so lightweight, which is so good. I'm loving this so much. I never used any gel, no edge control. All I used was aloe vera water. This hair feels so extremely lightweight, but very long. I can't even believe it. I'm really shocked how light this hair feels. Upon the length of this hair, but still very lightweight. It measures 37 to 38 inches. Yes. No weight. So let's get into the video. So now, once the section of the hair is complete, I section off the new portion of hair just like so, similar in weight to your first portion, and begin doing more individuals with this micro braid. So it's all about repetition. There's nothing new about this. So let's do it. So now I'm going to wrap the synthetic hair around my own hair 3 times. Then after that, I'm going to divide the synthetic hair into 3 sections, into 3 pieces equally, just like that. And then I begin to braid down. So now you want to braid without borrowing any hair from each other until you get to the very end. The reason is, please, when you start borrowing hair at this stage, your braid will never ever come out so good, sleek and beautiful. So avoid borrowing hair at the early stage when you're braiding until you get to the very end. Okay, it's very simple. So you remember the hair was 26 inches and I wanted it a little bit long, so I'll just be adding another piece of synthetic hair and begin to braid down until there's nothing left. So when I get to the very end like this, I just 2 strand twist it, frettish and simple. So this is my last one. Let's do it. Oh, this is the last one. Oh yes, I am very happy. So again, the same process. I'm doing the same process, so watch carefully. So again, this whole process took me 3 good days to complete everything. You know, as a woman, you have to cook, you have to clean, it's obvious that women, we are so powerful. we can do all things through Christ who strengthens us, right? I couldn't finish all this in just one day. Clap for women. We can do all things. We are so powerful. So please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more content. I hope you are enjoying.
So I'm done. Oh God.
I'm
Thank
done.
you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. I am down. I am done. I'm done. I'm done. Ooh, I am done.
So now everything is complete. Here I'm just showing you the scalp. Everything is on point. I love it so much. I can feel the breeze blowing around the scalp. It feels so good.
I'm going to boil my hot water and dip all this in, especially the ends, and then I'll be back to show you the final result. Okay,
I'm back, guys. Freshly boiled. Yes, look at how sleek this looks, y'all. It looks so amazing. It looks so beautiful, juicy, sleek, lightweight, very dark, and it smells so amazing. Yes, it feels so good. I love it. Just look at the scalp. So perfect. And I love the fact that it's very lightweight. This is what I'm looking for. Yeah, it's not heavy on my head at all. It feels so good. I'm done. You see how long this hair looks? It's extremely lightweight and I'm so happy. I just want to show you the length. I always love to dance, so pardon me.
you can use this hair to create any hairstyles of your choice.
Excuse my background. There are workers doing their job and I'm also doing my job. Yes. So there are people there doing so many things in our kitchen. So yeah. So let me show you how the back looks. Pretty much long, right? Very nice and lightweight. If you read Jeremiah 29:11, it says, "For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future." Bless you guys. I'm going to gather all the hair to show you the length. So this is how the length looks. Extremely long, and the back side beautiful. And yeah, if I bring it to my side, this is how the length look. I think it's around my waist. This is how it looks if I bring everything in front, around my waist and the back side. That'll be all for today. So guys, if you did enjoy this video, kindly subscribe to my channel, like and share, and also press that notification bell. It's so important so that anytime I upload any video, you'll be notified. Okay, trust in the Lord with all your heart. Do not depend on your own understanding. Seek his will in all you do, and he will show you which path to take. You find this on Proverbs 3:5-6. I'll leave you with God peace. Stay safe. See you in my next video again. Love you, and follow me on my TikTok. Bye bye. Stay safe. Mwah, mwah.